Imagine walking into a store, grabbing your items, and leaving. No lines, no waiting, no hassle. That's Amazon's Just Walk Out technology, and it's changing the future of shopping. But it's not just staying within Amazon's walls. Amazon Go has been reshaping retail for years now, with its cashierless stores operating in countries like the US and UK. What was once futuristic is now a reality. But as this technology becomes widespread, serious questions emerge about its impact on jobs. Entry-level positions like cashiers, once a staple of the retail workforce, are disappearing. Moreover, with Amazon acting as the central player in these systems, concerns about data privacy are growing. Every item you pick up is tracked, and every move you make in the store is recorded by cameras. Shoppers are unknowingly exchanging privacy for convenience, often without the option to opt out. In a world increasingly defined by technology, are we losing control over how our personal data is used? These ethical considerations are as critical as the convenience the technology brings. The question isn't just about faster shopping, it's about the trade-offs we make in a cashierless world. Today, we'll go in-depth with how this groundbreaking cashierless tech is being sold to retailers worldwide, changing the shopping landscape as we know it. In 2018, Amazon introduced Just Walk Out, a cashierless shopping experience. Using computer vision, sensors, and artificial intelligence, the system can detect what shoppers pick up and bill them automatically as they exit the store. It sounded like science fiction at the time, but Amazon turned it into reality. This was a major milestone in their ongoing quest to dominate the $1.6 trillion US grocery market. Despite its potential, creating this technology wasn't easy. Behind the scenes, Amazon's system is a marvel of innovation. Overhead cameras track every move, while weight sensors on the shelves detect when an item is picked up or put back. 3D scans help position the cameras for maximum coverage, and the AI works behind the scenes to ensure accuracy. Even with hundreds of people in a store, the system is capable of accurately tracking each shopper's movements, making checkout completely automatic. Shoppers can simply scan their phone, walk in, grab what they need, and walk out. Receipts are generated in real time. But Amazon didn't stop at its own stores. The company is now offering this cashierless technology to third-party retailers. Over 200 stores have already adopted it, and Amazon expects to double that number by the end of the year. This isn't just a push to sell tech, it's a calculated move. By embedding its technology in more stores, Amazon is positioning itself as the backbone of the future retail ecosystem. Now, even small to medium-sized stores can afford to automate the checkout process. However, this cashierless system comes with its own set of challenges. While the technology has been proven in stores, it's expensive to install. Setting up a full cashierless system with all the necessary cameras, sensors, and data infrastructure can cost between $10 million to $15 million for a 40,000 square foot store. For many retailers, that's a hefty price tag. And while shoppers love the convenience, some stores face rising concerns about theft. As technology advances, retailers must find the balance between security, cost, and efficiency. From a shopper's perspective, the experience is seamless. You walk in, pick up your items, and walk out. No lines, no fuss. But what about the human element? For decades, cashiers have been a staple of the retail experience. With cashierless technology, many of these jobs are at risk of disappearing, raising concerns about the future of retail employment. However, for those who value speed and efficiency, this technology offers an unmatched shopping experience. So what's next for Amazon and its Just Walk Out tech? The company continues to innovate, tweaking the system to make it more efficient and affordable for retailers. Amazon is also looking beyond grocery stores to other sectors. Convenience stores, airports, and even stadiums could soon adopt cashierless shopping. With competitors like iFi and Grab & Go also working on similar tech, the race is on to reshape the shopping experience as we know it. Amazon's Just Walk Out technology is paving the way for a new era of shopping, one that's faster, more convenient, and less reliant on human cashiers. But as with any major innovation, there are trade-offs. Will the convenience of cashierless shopping outweigh concerns about cost, job loss, and security? Only time will tell. For now, one thing is certain. The future of retail is walking out of the store, quite literally.